Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing severity. Note loudness, pauses, and daytime sleepiness. This tells you urgency. Once done, change position. Elevate the head 4 to 6 centimeters and sleep on your side to open the airway. Now remove acute irritants. Avoid alcohol and sedatives for 3 to 4 hours before bed and stop heavy meals late at night. These first actions reduce tissue vibration and set the stage for deeper interventions. Make sure to track symptoms each night. You now focus on detailed daily measures that change airway dynamics. Begin with simple devices, nasal dilators, adhesive strips, and a nightly saline nasal rinse to reduce obstruction. At the same time, enact a weight and exercise plan. Losing 5 to 10% of body weight often decreases tissue collapse. If you notice choking, gasping, or long pauses, arrange a sleep study. Once diagnosed, a CPAP trial can be transformative. Make sure to coordinate treatments with your clinician for best results. You complete the process by consolidating gains and planning follow-up. After initial steps, get a sleep study and an ENT exam to identify structural contributors, then titrate devices like CPAP for effective pressure and fit. Reserve surgery only after conservative measures fail, and discuss risks and realistic outcomes with a surgeon. If snoring persists despite CPAP, troubleshoot by checking mask seal, humidifier settings, and prescribed pressure. If problems continue, contact your sleep clinic without delay so adjustments can be.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.